In this video, let me show you a review about main hair removal spray. Hair removal sprays have surged in popularity as a quick, mess-free alternative to shaving, waxing, or depilatory creams. Among this, the main no-shave hair removal spray claims to offer a painless, skin-friendly solution that works in just minutes. However, with so many similar products flooding the market, many of which turn out to be disappointing or even deceptive, it's only fair to ask, is the main hair removal spray a scam or a legit product? First, let's go over to the pros. Many users find the spray format convenient, allowing for a quick application without the mess of traditional creams or waxing. It's also noted to be gentler on the skin compared to other options like Nair or Veet, with some users reporting better results and less lingering odor. Now onto the cons. Several users have observed inconsistent results with the spray failing to remove all hair, especially in areas with coarse or thick growth, often leaving behind stubble. There have also been complaints about an unpleasant odor, faulty spray mechanism, and a lack of transparency regarding ingredients. The lack of transparency around ingredients and return policies also raise red flags, making some question the legitimacy of the product. So, what do you think? If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.